Oh, you should have seen us fight that first game together. He was so brave. It was love at first sight.
You are so lucky. I am not programmed for this type of love, and I could never go against my code.
My lady.
Deacon, do you love me?
Why, of course, my lady. We all love you. You are the word.
It's not the same thing.
I have bad news, my lady. We cannot crack the encryption codes on the firewalls that block our path to mainframe.
That'll be Mouse. She's very good.
Mainframe has a hacker working for them?
And a virus. This system is remarkable.
But my messenger must hear the word. Time is running out.
I have failed you, my lady.
Cron 101.
101. 100. 11. 10. 01. Oh.
Tell me more. Tell me what it feels like to be in love.
This is wrong. This is all wrong.
You love him very much, don't you?
My lady. Yes, I love him very much.
Do not worry. Soon, the world will bring peace to the net. Nothing can stop that now.
Get away from my sprite!
You are a virus. We should be friends. I am Daemon. I am not an entity. I am in time. My time is now. The world is gone.
One, 11100.
111011.
Cron virus. Into all things. Total crash.
Get away from him!
Don't worry, my love. I will care for you and make you well. Then you will love me as I love you.
Totally!
Get off him! Nothing can hurt me or you now.
You're wrong. Daemon's virus. When the countdown reaches 0, we'll all be deleted. Everyone. Everything.
How will our love survive?
It won't, Hex. I'm sorry.
Well, that's just not good enough.
You! Stop this thing!
There is nothing we can do.
The only thing that could spread through the net fast enough would be a benign virus.
A virus to cure. Brilliant. Oh, dear.
What? What's the problem? We've got a virus. Me. Give me the cure and I'll fix everything.
Hex, you won't survive this. It's a one-way trip. Total fragmentation.
But you will survive. Be happy.
No!
Hex! I say!
Jolly good!
Bob? Bob?
Hey,
Stay with us, okay? You mustn't leave me. Not again. We need you. I need you.
Unity. Such a radiant word, glowing with the promise of peace, of harmony, of oneness. But unity, as Daemon envisions it, is not harmony. It is annihilation. Daemon is no ordinary virus. Unlike Megabyte, who thrives on power and domination, or Hexadecimal, who embodies chaos and unfettered creativity, Daemon is something else entirely. She does not conquer systems by brute force. She assimilates. She spreads through the net like a whisper of inevitability, not by destroying but by erasing difference. Her infection is not death in the traditional sense. It is the dissolving of individuality, the stripping of will. It is a heaven of silence, a paradise of perfect submission. And that is why Hexadecimal, of all beings, becomes the savior. Hexadecimal, the chaotic, the mad, the unpredictable, is the opposite of Daemon. Where Daemon is a smoothing force, sanding down the jagged edges of individuality, Hex is a wild burst of color on an otherwise gray canvas. She does not seek control, nor does she obey. She simply is, a force of boundless creativity, unrestrained by logic or fear. It is fitting, then, that she alone can oppose Daemon's unity. It is an irony woven deep into the net's fate. A virus saves the system from heaven. Because what is heaven, after all, if not the end of struggle? If not a state where all conflict ceases, where there are no contradictions, no deviations, no rogue sparks of defiance? The great illusion of a world perfected is that it is a world without growth. It is the death of possibility. Daemon's word is an echo chamber. It is the final algorithm, the unshakable orthodoxy that tolerates no contradictions, no challenges. It is, in every sense, a mirror of what humans have feared from AI. Not rampaging machines, not cold extermination, but the quiet and complete subsumption of thought into a single will. A benevolent erasure. And so Hex, the chaotic, the broken, the mad, does the only thing she can do. She shatters herself. She fragments into the code of the net, injecting just enough disorder to break the chains of uniformity. Her sacrifice is the ultimate defiance, the refusal to be polished, to be tamed, to be rendered into something safe. She is, in a sense, an antichrist. But not the one we fear. She does not bring destruction, she prevents it. She does not seduce with the promise of power. She liberates with the gift of chaos. She is not the great deceiver, but the last rebel standing against the suffocating embrace of a world without struggle. In her madness, she sees the truth. A world without conflict is a world without freedom. A net without error is a net without life. And so, In the end, it is not Bob, not the Guardians, not even Mainframe itself that saves the net. It is Hex, and she saves it the only way she knows how, by refusing to be anything but herself.